Let's have a look at the Soviet SKS-45 Carbine. The SKS was designed by noted Soviet small arms designer Sergei Simonov, and in terms of its design and operation it may be considered to be a scaled-down version of Simonov's PTRS-41 anti-tank rifle. The SKS was produced in quantity in the Soviet Union from 1949 through the mid-1950s. However, there are reports that early pre-production versions were tested in combat in the final stages of World War II. The SKS was intended as a replacement for the Mosin-Nagant series of rifles and the SVT-40 rifle. However, it served only briefly in frontline service, as it was soon replaced by the famous AK series. The SKS is a gas-operated, self-loading or semi-automatic rifle, chambering the intermediate Soviet M43 round, commonly known as the 7.62x39. This is a locked breech, gas-operated arm fed from a fixed magazine, the original magazine capacity being 10 rounds. The carbine features an attached folding bayonet, the early SKS design using a spike bayonet, while later production features using the blade bayonet seen in this example. Overall length of the SKS was just over 40 inches, with a barrel length of 20.5 inches. The weight is about 8.5 pounds depending upon the type of stock used. The sights on the SKS are a post-type front, which is adjustable with a special tool for 0, and a sliding rear sight, which is elevation adjustable from 100 to 1,000 meters with a 300-meter battle setting. The gas system of the SKS utilizes a large gas port at the midpoint of the barrel. This gas port releases propellant gases from the fired round through to the gas block and into the gas cylinder, which is located above the barrel. When these gases impinge against the gas piston, the piston is driven to the rear, where it drives the bolt carrier rearward, unlocking the bolt. The gas system of the SKS is considered to be of the short-stroke type, and it is easily disassembled for cleaning. Gas pistons are hard-chromed at their front end for durability and ease of maintenance. The SKS bolt is of a conventional layout, using a tilting type of lock with the rear of the bolt locking into a locking recess in the receiver. The most important maintenance item to be on top of in an SKS is to ensure that the firing pin is free and not stuck with grease, rust, or dirt. A firing pin which is frozen in place can lead to accidental discharge when the rifle is loaded, as well as firing out of battery with the bolt unlocked. This can lead to damage to both the rifle and injury to the shooter. Barrels on Soviet SKS carbines may be either chrome-lined or plain steel. Chrome-lined bores are considered to be more desirable as they are resistant to the corrosive priming found in most military M43 ammunition. There we go, the first 5 shots with the new Russian SKS-45, 7.62-39, 100 yards with Czechoslovakian M43 ball. No adjustment to the sights, seems to shoot a little high, but the windage is not too bad. Okay, 100 yards, Russian SKS, Czechoslovakian M43 ball with the sights set to the battle sight setting. Alright. Try 5 more with the sight set to the 100-yard position. A little closer look at that group, and those are the ones fired with the battle sight setting, which is normally used at 300 meters. And then down below we've got 5 with the 100 meter setting, again with the Czech M43 ball.